The Keeping Up with the Kardashians star paired her fashionable dress with comfortable shoes, as she strolled around Italy. Comfort and fashion can go together seamlessly. Kris Jenner, 65, rocked a pair of white, Velcro sneakers, as she was out and about in Venice, Italy with her boyfriend Corey Gamble, 40. The KUWTK star was in Venice to attend the Dolce Gabbana fashion show, and she dressed appropriately for the occasion and rocked a dress from the designer while she walked with her beau on Monday, August 30th. Kris looked absolutely gorgeous in the patchwork chiffon and georgette dress. The dress is made up of a bunch of different patterns. Much of the dress was black with thin, white stripes, but it also featured white polka dots, cheetah print, and various floral designs. The beautiful dress retails for $4,095, according to Dolce & Gabbana's website. Besides the dress and the sneakers, Kris accessorized with a pair of black sunglasses, black leather purse with a gold chain strap, gold earrings, and a black face mask. While Kris was stunning in her Dolce & Gabbana dress, Corey went for a more casual and laid-back look. He sported a white t-shirt and black shorts, as well as white sneakers with calf-length socks. He also wore a pair of sunglasses and a black watch, while he held hands with the KUWTK star. Related gallery. Kris Jenner and Corey Gamble, pics. Kris also took to her Instagram to share a few photos and videos from the event. In the photos she posted, she sported a beautiful black gown with a silver trim. She also posted a photo of Corey, rocking a white tuxedo jacket and black pants, as he sipped a drink. She also shared a picture of her daughter Kourtney Kardashian, 42, with her boyfriend Travis Barker, 45. "The most beautiful night in Venezia," Kris wrote in the caption. Other than gorgeous nights out in Venice, Kris and Corey have been living it up this summer. The couple took a vacation to Cabo San Lucas, Mexico back in June, and Kris was spotted rocking a red bikini, while she lounged poolside with her man. The Jenner matriarch always looks fabulous no matter what she wears.